Hello! Today we are going to learn how to use the polling feature in Zoom. The polling feature only works in a scheduled meeting or a meeting with your personal meeting room. Polls can be created prior to the meeting by going to the scheduled meeting page on zoom.us, scrolling to the bottom where it says polls, and then clicking add. While you are in a meeting, you can create and use polls for your students to respond to. In the meeting room option, at the bottom, you can find polls. When you click on polls, a menu will appear with the option to add a question. When you click on this button, it'll open a new tab in your browser. This new browser window will say Edit Meeting Polls at the top, and you can click on Add Poll on the right side to create a new poll. A new menu will pop up after clicking on this button. In this menu, you can add a title for the poll and choose whether responses will be anonymous. You will then be able to create question 1 by typing in the box that says, type your question here. Below this, you can choose whether it is a single or multiple choice question. You then can add up to 10 response choices. If you want to delete a question, you may click the delete button at the bottom of the question. If you would like to add more questions, the add question button will allow you to do so. When you have finished the poll, you can save it by clicking the save button at the bottom. After saving the poll, you can now return to the class meeting. At this point, if you have the poll menu up, you can click Launch Polling to start the poll. This will share it with the students to enter their response. When you are ready to close the poll, click End Polling. Afterwards, the result will display on your screen. You can choose to share the results with the class or not. They will not see the results if you do not choose to share with them. After the class is over, if you have recorded the meeting to the cloud, you can return to the Zoom tab in Canvas. From there, you can click on Previous Meetings and find the meeting you want to see the poll information from. Click on the report link next to the meeting, which will open the meeting report page. You then can select Poll Report. If the poll was not anonymous, then you can see the students' names, emails, the questions they responded to, and the answers they chose. If the poll was anonymous, it will just show the question and answer for each respondent. In both cases, you can export the results as a CSV file by clicking on the Export as CSV File option above the responses. Thank you for watching.